Hello friends, welcome to an elephant safari in the Jaldapada National Park. We started about 5:45 am in the morning and headed to Malongi. We are going for elephant safari at Malongi. We are a little bit late, so that's why we are taking a shortcut through the forest. On our way to Malongi, we chanced upon an unexpected treat. We saw an Indian one-horned rhinoceros gently walking towards our car along the Malongi riverbed. Probably due to their poor eyesight, the rhino actually came very close before it finally spotted us and hightailed it back into the forest. After this pleasant surprise, we continued on our way to the elephant riding point at Malongi. So we have started the elephant safari. We are doing the safari in the Malongi beat of Kodalbosti range of the Jaldapada National Park. You can see two elephants. These are not wild elephants. These are elephants belonging to the forest department. So a mother and a baby in the distance. And the advantage of riding an elephant is she can go pretty much anywhere where cars cannot go. Riding an elephant through the Jaldapada National Park in the early hours of dawn was a truly unforgettable experience, and I highly recommend everyone to try it at least once. We rode the elephant along the banks of the Torsha river, which flows through the Jaldapada National Park. Suddenly, we heard some rustling in the undergrowth along the river bank. We followed the source of the sound and soon enough spotted a lone Indian bison or gaur emerging from the bushes and disappearing into the forest trail. Unfortunately, that was our only animal sighting, and we soon started on our way back to the riding point. The elephant safari at Malongi happens in 3 shifts at 6, 7, and 8 am respectively, and lasts 1 hour each. There is only one elephant at Malongi, and she is capable of carrying up to 4 adults each trip. So, in total, 12 people can do safari on any given day. So, right now we are on top of the watchtower at the elephant riding point at Malongi. You can see there are some elephants grazing in the distance. These are all forest department elephants, these are not wild elephants. And you can also see the Torsha river, and then farther near the horizon you can probably see that the Kanchenjunga is actually visible.
though it's quite far away. I can try zooming in a little bit, but so that's the Kanchenjunga, that one.
After visiting the watchtower, we returned to Jungle Book Chilapata along the highway that runs through the forest. The elephant safari at Malongi can be booked online. I will provide the link in the description of this video along with the approximate cost of the same. That's all I have for this episode, friends. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon to stay notified of future uploads. I will see you next time with another video. Until then, goodbye.